Hi guys, I'm Hina and welcome back to my channel. I named this video my on and off, but this video will just show my normal weekday and special weekend. If you're new here, thank you for watching my video, and my name is Hina and I film some vlogs in Australia. Welcome! I started work in the afternoon because I went to driving school in the morning. Our office is too hot and dry, so my eyes get extremely dry. That's why I always bring and use eye drops. I try to drink less Coke these days, but it's really difficult, especially when I work. To be honest, I don't really want to film my work vlog because I should cut my all meeting or discussion scenes, and also I need to blur all my real artwork or packages as I have to keep confidential. So I just worry if you guys feel boring because you only can see my face and hear the typing sound during this work vlog. I got a stiff neck because I was so nervous when I was driving. It made me hurt during the whole day. In my work, I usually do package design and advertising design. That day, I had 3 jobs that I had to finish by the day. Of course, all designers have their work deadline and need to keep it, but when those deadlines overlap all together, it drives me crazy.
$1 hour and a half and 90.
$90. An hour and a half? Oh, that's alright.
Yeah, is that right? If I take 10 times and then I need to pay about 900, and she said I need to take about 50, 40 times.
Are you serious?
Yeah, she said it's normal.
No, it's
But
not.
I don't think so. So I'm just gonna take just 2 more.
Yeah.
Yeah, right?
Get Joseph to teach you.
Huh?
Get Joseph to teach you.
Joseph? We're gonna fight. 가르치다가 싸울 거.
Probably.
Yeah, right?
티 빼야 된다고 했잖아. What do you mean?
Yeah, do you have another wording instead of this?
Time to go home. I went to Cronulla Beach on weekend. This was first time to visit here. It was so exciting.
Touch will break, and every day you give and I take. I'm living the best that
You can walk along the beach. This is a great place to walk.
Followed my plans. I'm holding you back.
I feel always same thing when I see Australia Sea, which is so wide and clean and cool. Especially in this year, I think we're going through really hard time. Sydney's first fire, pandemic, and Korea's typhoon. Hope you can feel relaxed watching this clean and peaceful scene. I believe we can overcome the situation and our day will come soon.
Everything you've done is great.
It's winter in Australia, but when the weather is nice, all Aussie wear bikini and get a tan at a beach. I can do that. I feel still cold.
Carry this burden myself.
Let's watch and enjoy this weather and beach.
Shelf. Think of me fondly, but please move beyond me and go.
I bought an ice cream, but its taste wasn't that good. If you want to try to buy one from this ice cream truck, don't buy sprinkle flavor. Original would be better.
The world is just waiting for you, but I'm hoping.
Thank you for watching my video today. I will come back next time with an English studying video. Hope you guys have a great day and see you next time again. Bye!